Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I got something pretty interesting here with me, something that I don't usually do, but I like this one, so I said, why not? This is the TKEDC slider, and it's a pretty cool thing, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see, what do we have here in the box. This is a nice Pelican case style box with some foam right over here, and then you have these two items. This is the lanyard cord that you're gonna be able to use around this guy, and let's check it out. What is this guy? So this is a slider. It's a clicker. It's a fidget toy. It's something pretty cool that I noticed that I tried it because I'm curious. I like these metal things, and this is a very interesting one. It's made in China. It's designed by TKEDC. There's 3 different plates that you can apply onto this one. This is the bear, of course, with these cool feathers, and it's not cheap. This is an zirconium and cupronickel plate fidget toy, so you can imagine this is going to be around $200. So it's not that cheap, but it looks cool. It's very interesting. It has like this cupronickel plate, like debossed, I think, engraved or carved. I don't know which term to use. This is really nice. I think this is just carved or like machined. I don't know, but it's cool. It's nicely made, and there is even like a kind of like a hard stone kind of thing, or a ceramic ball bearing. I'm not sure what is that. If you know, just leave it in the comment down below. But anyway, this is a plate, cupronickel. This is our 2 zirconium slabs, so pretty thick. And on the back you have the bear and the TK logo, and 3 grooves to add a little bit more grip. You also have a lanyard hole passage, let's say. Basically you just slide it down and you can just slide in your paracord or the provided lanyard. So very, very interesting. So nice oval shape, feels good. Overall, it's an interesting one. But what it does, so this is a slider, which means that you can actually grip it like this and just slide it upwards. And it's going to reveal this pretty cool mountain engraving with some stars right over there, and it's nicely done. There's a little bit of depth to it, and you can see the nice engraving. It's pretty cool, I have to say. If you turn it on the back, you don't see any screws whatsoever. So you have been provided with this key right over here with the that pin, which you can stuck right here, and then you're gonna pop out the plate, and then you're gonna be able to access the screws if you want to disassemble this piece. Also, as I showed you before, like this is a slider upwards, and also is a slider downwards, but it comes with like a spring loaded mechanism, so it's different. You can just slide it upwards and it's gonna stay like that, or you can just slide it downwards and it's just gonna return to its original position by itself. So 3 states in this one. And it's very interesting. Size wise, for example, you can see that overall length of this guy is right, I would say around 2 inches, and the weight is quite substantial, because you can actually see that this guy is weighing in at 2.97 ounces. So it's not a light one because it's made of zirconium. So it has some heft to it, but it feels good in the hand, and of course it's fidgety. So the look, it's absolutely great. The sound of this guy is this. So basically there's 2 sounds. If you push it upwards, it's loud. If you push it downwards, it's less loud. It's more quiet, and it's interesting. If you push it downwards, it's even quieter, and if you release it, it's gonna have that particular and peculiar sound that I appreciate it. It's very interesting. I mean, sound for me, it's a big portion of any knife that I review, and in this case, like, of course, like Fidget toy, this is a clicker and a slider, because you see, has a very, very subtle click on both sides, which it's interesting because it's a nice feature of the look, the sound, and the feel, which are the three features that I like to analyze for every item I try to review, and this is really, really sounding good. The feel in the hand is also very cool. It has some weight to it, and for example, you can compare this guy as in size comparison. This is an Ambury coin, and I'm gonna show you also this guy. This is just like the like a bulletproof shield slider, so it's in that ballpark. This is a Lautier Sam spinner, and what else can I show you? This is like a Muji capsule spinner, so that's a big boy compared to that, but you can see roughly the average size of the TK slider is comparable. It's not that big. It's gonna stay nicely in your pocket. You even have like a pelly case to take it around with you, and it's a nice fidget toy. It's really cool, looks good, sounds really cool, and in the hands has some really good haptic feedback that you can feel in your hand, and you can just enjoy it just playing with it as you watch a movie or as you are waiting in line at the post office. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.